To remove the wheel, loosen the wheel nuts slightly, then lift and support the vehicle as per the manufacturer's recommendations. Loosen caliper bolts and lift the caliper off the rotor. Carefully secure the caliper out of the way. Remove the cotter pin and axle nut, and remove the hub assembly from the carrier axle by pulling off the rotor by hand. Once the hub is removed, use a clean rag to remove any dirt or debris from the bearing area. Visually inspect to ensure the bearing is not damaged and is free moving. Insert wheel bearing greaser over the axle and into the bearing. There's a 1.5-degree taper machined into the greaser, so only insert the greaser until it is touching the inner race. Just keep in mind, excessive force will result in the inner bearing race taper locking to the greaser, which we don't want. Attach a grease gun to the grease fitting and inject grease into the tool. Keep injecting grease until you see new grease coming through the bearing. During this process, rotate the tool several times between pumps to ensure grease is injected evenly throughout the bearing. If water is noticeable, this is normal as the grease is displacing the water, ensuring the bearing is correctly packed. Remove tool and any excess grease from the perimeter of the bearing while making sure the brake components don't have any grease on them. Assemble components back together in the reverse order using manufacturer's torque specifications.